Hello friends, welcome to Code Crush Coding. In the previous video, we have learnt about the theory of modules and how to import a module into a Python code. So the first statement we have learnt was the import statement. In this video, we will cover the from import statement. So instead of importing the whole module, Python provides the flexibility to import only the specific attributes of a module. So this can be done by using a from import statement. So when we were using the import statement, with the help of import and the module name, we are importing all the content of that module. But from the from import statement, we can provide specific attributes that we want to import. So this is the syntax for the from import statement. So you need to provide the keyword from, then the module name, import, and then the name of the attributes that you want to import. So we will see in the demo how to do this. So the from import statement is always better to use if you know the attributes to be imported from the module in advance. So if you are already aware which attributes you will require to import, so always use the from import statement, because you will import only that particular attributes instead of importing all the attributes. Otherwise it will make your code heavier. So let's see in the demo how we can make use of from import statement. So this is my Python series project. I will create here a new folder, so new directory. Let's give it name as module demo 1. So this is my folder here. So let's create a module here, new. So module is nothing but a Python file which will have your function, classes or variables. So let's say we want to create a module of calculator. So let's provide a name here, calculator. So this is calculator.python file. So let's provide here the different functions. So let's add first function as def add, which will take two arguments, a and b, so two numbers basically, and then we will return a plus b. In similar way, we will have another function def minus, which will take two functions, a comma b, return a minus b, and let's take one more function here, def multiply, two arguments, a comma b, and we will return here a into b. So in this module we have the three functions. So now what we can do here, let's add one more Python file which will be the main Python file. Let's provide the name as main Python file, and in this Python code we want to import this module which is calculator.python. So let's import that, import calculator. So once you import this calculator class, what you want to do, you want to make use of, let's say, this add function. So it is taking two arguments, so you need to provide the two arguments. Let's have here a input, enter first number. Let's copy this statement, b, enter second number, and then we will print here, print addition. We want to call only the addition function here, addition is, and we will here call the function. So name of module you need to specify here, which is calculator dot add, and the two arguments a comma b. So let's save this. Why we are getting here error, let's see that. Install package calculator, so we can install that. Yeah, so it's got installed now, so the error is resolved. what we can do here, we can save this and run now. So which is our main Python file, run. See, we are getting here the message, enter first number, let's say 10, second number as 3, and see we are getting here addition is 103. Why we are getting 103? Because it is treating this as strings, so it is directly appending 10 and 3. So you need to provide your integer int. So once you provide your integer, now it will treat them as the integer and will add the result. So let's add 10, then 3. So we are getting the result, addition is 13. So in this code, we are already knowing that we are only going to import the addition method like calculator.add, and still we are importing the whole module. So instead of doing that, you can import directly that particular module. So here you can say from calculator module, import, you want to import only the add functionality, right? So import add. So when you are using this add, when you are using this from import statement, no need to provide the name of module. You can directly call the method add a comma b. Let's save this. Why it's getting error here? Create function add in module calculator.py. So we have already created it, right? Add. Let's see the syntax. Okay, let's save this, try to run. So first number 2, second number 3, addition is 5. So we are getting the output here. So in this way you can import a specific function. So let's say now you want to import also the multiplication function. Let's copy this statement, print it here, and we will say here multiply. But here it will not import the multiply because we have only imported the add attribute. So to import a multiple attribute, you need to separate them with the help of a comma and need to provide the name of another module. So let's say import add comma multiply. Let's save this and now try to run. So enter first number, let's say 5, enter second number 5, then addition is 10, and here we haven't changed the statement, so here it will be multiplication. So let's run again. 5, second number 5, so addition is 10 and multiplication is 25. So what we have done, we have only imported add and multiply. We haven't imported the minus because we don't require that in our main Python file. So in this way you can make use of these two statement. First one is the import, when you are going to import all the functionality of a module, and when you know what needs to be imported, only that particular attributes you want to import, so you can go with from import statement. So another thing that we want to learn here is we can also import all the attributes from a module by using star. So what is the syntax for that? So when you are using the from import statement and you need to import all the attributes, so you can directly specify here star. So let's say I want to import all the functionality now. Instead of add and multiply, whatever present here in calculator.python module, I want to import all now. So instead of providing the name, I will directly say import star, and with the help of this now I need to provide here the name of module. So because when you are providing here import that particular attribute, you don't need to provide the name of module here. So here I will say calculator.add, and you have calculator.multiply. Import. So it is in module demo.calculator. Yeah. Let's run this code now. So enter first number 6, enter second number 4. So 6 plus 4 10, and multiplication 6 into 4 is 24. So now what we have done, we have imported all the functionality of a module. So in similar way you can add a subtraction, and you will need to make use of the module name. So when we were using the name of attribute here after import, so no need to use the module name. So another thing here, renaming a module. So you can also rename your module inside the main Python file. So Python provides us the flexibility to import sub-module with a specific name, so that we can use this name to use that module in our Python source file. So what is the syntax to do this? So you can import the module name, and you need to make use of this as keyword, as, and here the name of module that you want to specify. So let's see in our code how you can make use of renaming a module. So let's say now this statement from calculator import star is similar to this one, right? Because we are importing all the statement of calculator here. So you can directly say import calculator, and now what you can do, import calculator as scal. So you have renamed the module name. So this is the name of the file, which is your module calculator.python, and this is the alias name. You can say you have renamed the name as cal. So instead of using this calculator, now you can directly use here cal. And here cal. Let's save this, run now. So enter first number 2, enter second number 2. So see, you are getting the outputs at addition is 4 and multiplication is also 4. 2 plus 2 is 4, 2 into 2 is 4. So in this way you can make use of renaming a module. So that was all about the modules. We have seen the theory about the modules, how to import the module. So go through the videos and do practice on the module. So that's it in this video. We will cover another topics in next video. Thank you for watching.